Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Farmhouse Pedestal Dollar Tree planter. So I don't know if you remember the boxes that I used for the joy sign. I had a bunch of the insides left from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use one of those. Some white chalk paint, some brown wax, a mini candlestick, and a mini circle that I got both at Hobby Lobby, some buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree, a black button, some jumbo popsicle sticks, and those also came from Hobby Lobby and Walmart, and some greenery. Mine have little flowers in them, and some Spanish moss. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my jumbo popsicle sticks, and I'm going to line them up on the boxes, and I'm going to cut them to fit the size of the box. And I'm just using regular scissors for this. And I'm going to do this in 4 on each side. So except for the top and the bottom, so just 4 on all 4 sides, because I want to cover up this hole that's in the box, but I also wanted to give it sort of a rustic farmhouse vibe. So I'm just going to glue 4 of them on each side once I got them cut to the size, and just using my hot glue gun. So once I was finished gluing these on, I kind of wanted to add a little something extra, so I was going to add some corner pieces. So I just took popsicle sticks. These are just regular size popsicle sticks, and I measured them out, and I'm going to cut 2 for each corner of the box. And I'm just going to cut them, and then I'm going to hot glue them right to the corners of each of sides of the boxes. And I just thought this kind of gave it a little bit more of a finished look instead of just the cut popsicle sticks just kind of hanging out there. And you don't have to do this part. This part is totally up to you. If you like it the way that it was before, you can totally leave it that way. But I really liked it with these. I just kind of thought that it gave it more of a finished look. And see how cute that looks? And I really just felt like this gave it a very finished look. Like you see those planters at the end of people's driveways or next to their doors. It just looks just like that. And that's kind of what the look that I was going for. So next I'm going to take that little circle that I had. It's just a circle. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And I'm going to glue that to the bottom. Then I'm going to glue my little candlestick right underneath that. And I just used a mixture of wood glue and hot glue to attach that. I'm just going to hold that in place until it dries. And I got those both at Hobby Lobby. The little candle holders come in a pack of like 4 or 5, I think. Next, I'm just going to take and stain the whole box. So the candlestick, the bottom, everything. I'm just going to stain it all with the brown wax. And I think it looks super cute just like that. You can leave it this way, or you can go the next step that I'm going to go. And I use some white chalk paint, and I'm just going to sort of dry brush it all over the whole box. And you can use any color you want. You could do like a sage green if that matches your decor. You could leave it with the regular wood look. That's totally fine too. I really liked it with the white. I didn't think I was going to, but once I got it all together, it really just kind of pulled itself together. So as you can see, it looks super cute with the white. So now I'm just going to take some of my Spanish moss, and I'm going to stuff that down into the inside. Then I'm going to start cutting my greenery and putting little picks of it inside of the box. So this is like a greenery that has little white flowers on it, but you could use boxwood, you could use lamb's ear, or if you can find this, I got this at Walmart. I think it was like $3 for a big bunch of it, or whatever you can find at Dollar Tree, you can fill it with. It's all up to you. I'm just giving you the idea, and hopefully you'll take the idea and run with it. Once I had all of my greenery arranged, I was trying to decide where I wanted to put the little bow that I made out of the buffalo check ribbon. So I decided to put it right in the center of the box. I'm still not sure how I feel about it. I'm kind of undecided. I really liked it very plain like it was, but I also thought that it needed something. So I just added the little bow, popped the button in the middle, and it actually turned out really amazing. I truly love the way that it turned out, and it's super cute and was super easy to make. This would look great on a shelf or on your tiered tray or as part of a vignette on your table. I just think it just turned out absolutely adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to spread the chaos, and I hope this inspires you to make one.